I can't explain what 3D printing is or how it works.
I've heard about 3D printing in the media, I think BBC News.
I've heard about it, but I couldn't tell you what it was exactly.
Never heard of 3D printing before.
In the cinema, is there such a thing as 3D viewing? Would printing be in some way similar?
A little bit like when you wear those glasses in the cinema for 3D.
Printing is the ability to take any idea, create a 3D file using something like Autodesk 123D, and then take it out and make a physical form at the push of a button. This technology developed, I think, it's mostly a passion project that was developed in the 80s when someone said, wouldn't it be great if we could make anything using just your ideas?
It's incredible that we're bringing 3D printing to a new generation of digital natives. We're beginning to demand access to this incredible technology. I want to be able to print off an object, hold it in my hands. I want to be able to do surgery on my model before I go to my patient.
Now it seems like everyone's come out with a better system, a more sturdy system, things that can make large sculptures like you see behind me, things that were not possible 2 years ago.
There's a lot of innovation demand on companies, so the increasing push on companies towards innovation is driving more and more usage of 3D printing technology.
With us, we do with paper. So basically you load in office paper and you get a 3D model made of paper out the other end. Well, if you want a 3D printed photograph of yourself and your children, or you want to replicate a little model of somebody, these are the kind of applications I think that would reach the kind of consumer.
Certainly in the last 12 months, there's been probably 100% increase in what the industry is now looking at doing. There have been a lot more interest from other industries that we've noticed coming into 3D printing and being interested in what it can produce.
The industry is changing daily. It's not a case of what's happened in the last 12 months, it's what's happened between yesterday and today. You know, there's been an enormous number of new consumer low-end machines. We're seeing developments in the industrial space, seeing new applications. We're seeing new medical applications. We're seeing this stuff getting into aerospace and automotive. So it's a really exciting time in the world of 3D printing.
For us specifically, it's the desktop space. It's the fact that I can make a design on my computer and then in a few minutes I can get it printing. And then maybe this, for example, may take 2 hours, but if it's a smaller object, I can get something going. Or I can print something that's wearable and have it around with me to show up.
More and more of the masses that are understanding it and getting it, and the younger generation is just helping us influence to do even more and more, and to have new people come in and really push us to the limits of what we know for the past few years, what we've been doing. Anything's possible. No design will be compromised. We can give anyone anything what they want. What's in their head is what we can make a physical creation, and there's nothing better than that.